young stunner, nigga. Rich gang, 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 like that. Woo. Know what I'm saying?
Boy, what the hell you doing in here throwing up set? You ain't got no job.
What's good, NHG squad? This is your boy NHG OneMic, and welcome back for another unboxing video. And today, a special unboxing, man. I've been looking forward to get the Escort Max 360C Mark II. Yes, man. I had to pick this up. They had to pick this up, man. And the reason why I did to pick this up is because tickets, man, tickets. Since I've been driving this car, I got 2 tickets last year, back to back, for real, back to back. I paid off 1 ticket, then 2 weeks later, I get another ticket. So I was like, you know what? I need something that's gonna save my butt when I'm on the highway or just on the around the city, you know, being aware of cops. So yeah, I picked this bad boy up. I did a lot of research, man. To be honest, it was gonna be between this. I think it's like unit R8, R7, I think. But I went with this one because I just feel like this one was better for me. This is a, a hefty price, man. But I feel like, you pay and you get what you pay for. And I feel like this is gonna save me from a lot of tickets. Now, I'm not saying it's not gonna avoid me getting put over. I'm probably still gonna get put over no matter what. But having this is gonna pay the tickets off. That's definitely gonna help. And driving a little faster car like this one right here, and I have another charger. I have a charger. Stay tuned for that video. I haven't like make a video yet. I did post it on my Instagram, so probably on my Instagram you will see the charger. But I will be making a video on that soon. I'm just waiting on little stuff. But yeah, man, let's get here. Before I open this up, I might want to take a look at it. Hope it don't blur out or anything. But yeah, man, it comes with an app. Whole lot of good feature stuff on 50% improvement of range for radar detector and laser, and even events. So it's cool. And like I said, it has an app. So let me go ahead and open this. See, 50% of range. So yeah, man. And this, how much I spent on this was a lot. I bought this at Best Buy and it was $6. I mean, I'm not $6, but $5.99. But taxes came up to $644. Now I'm not saying that I didn't go ahead and spend that much money, but if you're looking for a budget one, make sure you do your research. You don't want to get no crappy one or anything like that. So just do your research and spend what you feel like it works for you, what's best for you. All right. But yeah, man, it comes with this is a nice package though. And wow, this is even got like a card you could put your information on here. So I guess if like you lose it or something, lose it or something like that, you could just put your information. But yeah, I'll keep that in there though. I ain't really worried about it. They go the guide. They ain't nothing. I know what to do with it, right? I know what to do with it. Put all that up. But let's go and open this bad boy up. I watch a lot of YouTube videos of this, man. A lot of YouTube videos. And there was a lot of good reviews. Some people a little bit negative, but I feel like it's just normal when you do a review on a product anyway. But here goes the mount. Here goes to plug it up to start the radar. And here it goes. Wow, it's just, yo, I don't know why I feel like this was so big on the videos. I feel like this was so big, but it's actually small. That's kind of good though. I mean, it's actually small. Like, look at this. I don't know if y'all could tell in the video, but this is actually small. It's not super big, so that's good. Not real big. They have all the settings, I think this is the speaker at the bottom. Little the connect to power on. So yeah, this is real nice. Yeah. Okay, got the little arrows. I like it because it got the arrows that let you know basically what the police say. He could be in front of you, he could be on your left or your right, or he could be behind you. So this one I really like. What else? What else coming here? That's it. I don't know why I feel like this was so big. Like on the YouTube videos when I was watching, I thought this was big. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. It's a little small, but I guess that's good. But it's heavy though. It do got weight. GPS, all that. It do got weight. Yeah, man. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and connect this, update this, this radar, and yeah, I'll be back real soon. Got everything hooked up. Had to update the radar. It's nice. I just gotta do some driving around, feel it, test it out, all kinds of stuff. But dash cam, radar. Now I did brought me a, I guess like it's a splitter, if you want to call it that, splitter. So it do runs both of my dash cam and my radar, and it is real nice. It got a lot. I was playing with the app a little bit. It got a lot of features on there. I might have to set up. I did do some couple little settings, but it's good. Let me just take this off. But yeah, this is real nice. I like the little display. I was trying to. I know you can change the color of it, so I'm gonna have to go on the app and play with it some more. See, how to run it and how to change colors and all that. But yeah, this is really nice. Now I can't wait to drive around and just see how like really works now. See, we'll pick up any of the police, AK bands. We don't got no what's those red light cameras out here. But I know when I was in Florida, they had like a couple of them. But yeah, your boy went to Florida over spring break. If you follow me on my Instagram, you would know that. But on that, yeah, this is cool. I like it. I really mess with it. Like I said, I spend a lot of money on this device now. Like I said, you don't have to spend so much money. If you can find a deal for this, hey, pick it up if you find a deal. Like I said before, you don't have to pay a whole lot of money for this. You could buy a budget friendly radar. Just do your research. My advice, don't spend $30 or $50 on a radar. I feel like it's just not going to work for you. It's going to be ringing off the charts, even on the highway. So you're going to get a lot of false alerts. If you want to ask me how much you should spend on a radar, at least 200, maybe 300. All right, maybe if you can find something real nice, at least like 100 and something, that's good. But me, I say maybe like $200 or $300 for a good radar. Okay, it's a lot of opinion on this, but I feel like this is gonna pay for all the tickets. Like if I get pulled over, it won't be no speeding. It'll be some other traffic stop or something. But this is gonna save me of speeding, so it will definitely alert me like, hey, it's a cop. Couple more miles, you need to slow it down. That's gonna give me enough time to slow it down and be normal on the highway. Then after that, I'm going crazy on the highway. But yeah, man. Yeah, this is good. They even had another what's the other one? I think it was the red line. I think that's the top of the top, the best of the best. But I wasn't gonna spend. I mean, it was like extra. I think it was like extra 200. I think it was like $7.99. But wasn't trying to break the bank. Sheesh, he kind of broke the bank buying this. But other than that, I feel like this is gonna be real good. If you're in the market of buying a radar, please do your research. Whatever radar you got your eye on, look up on YouTube, see the pros, see the cons. If you don't like it, go to the next one. You feel me? That's what I did. It was a couple of radars I was looking at before I decided to get this one. There was another one, some radar, and it was like 300. I feel like it was good, but it was a lot of more negative reviews than positive reviews on it. But this right here, a lot of good reviews, couple of negative reviews. If I could give y'all one negative, it was a YouTube video of a guy who did a review on this, and he was talking They got to do some updates on this bad boy. That's the only thing was really wrong. They were lacking on some features that they were supposed to be on here, but hopefully they got that straightened in the update. It's updating to fix everything. But yeah, it's good. I like the little digital play and all that. Like I said, I'm gonna have to keep playing with this, see what else I can do with this little bad boy. But yeah, man, runs my dash cam and my radar, so I'm good. I'm good on these streets, on these roads, man. But yeah, let me know what you think about this radar. Do you have this radar? Or you plan on getting yourself a radar? You know, you don't want to get these tickets. You don't want to pay these tickets. You know, tickets cost a lot of money, man. It costs a lot of money. I just for me, I spent $400 on 2 tickets. Okay, also 2 tickets, $400. So it was no brainer. Just get me on my radar, and I won't have to go through that no more. But other than that, yeah, man, let me know down in the comments, man, what you think about this product. Do you like it? Do you love it? Or you plan on getting a radar? Or if you already have one, what type of radar do y'all have? You feel me? I was thinking about that unit R8. Unit R8 did look real nice, look clean, but I don't know, man. It was up there too. It was like $6.99, so I would have to spend like $7, maybe like $8. You know how Texas is. But yeah, man, leave down in the comments, man, what you think about this product. Stay tuned for the next video, man. Stay tuned for the video. I will be posting up my charger I did get. I just didn't post it up yet, just because I'm doing some other stuff on the car. Don't worry, I still got my V6. But your boy do got an RT. Follow me on my Instagram. You will see it. You will see it. But yeah, man, stay tuned for that video. That video will be posting up real soon once I get some stuff for that car. But yeah, man, let me know in the comments what you think about this. But this is your boy NHG OneMic. Subscribe, comment, like, and stay tuned for the next video, boo. Man, been so long. But smash that like button, okay? Smash that like button. But your boy's out of here.